Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on vacation reply Gmail on your iPhone.
But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description.
Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to turn on vacation reply Gmail on your iPhone. So first, we're going to start by opening up your Gmail app. So once you open your Gmail app here, look on the upper left-hand corner where you're going to select where they say like search in mail, but on your left. Those are like the three lines right there. So that's the menu right there. Make sure that you select on the menu. As you guys can see right there, I'm selecting a menu. Then you're gonna give me right here. Once you get right here, scroll down until you see settings right there. That's settings right there. Okay, tap on settings. Then you're gonna get you on the settings place right on this screen right here. But if you have like more than 3 or 5 account, then they're gonna show all your account right there. But you have to click on your account that you want to turn on the vacation reply. So I'm gonna tap on my account right there and tap on your account too. So once you get on your account right there, look on where they say like vacation responder. As you guys can see, the vacation responder. Tap on that. Then you're gonna get you right here. You know, like how there's no like any light right there. Make sure that you tap on the dot on the white dot right there. Then you're gonna turn blue. Then you can type in the date that you're on vacation and that you want to respond. Let me just customize this. You can just say whatever you want. And once you set up your vacation reminder, you can just say like responder, just say save. And then that's how you turn on vacation reply Gmail on your iPhone Gmail. And if you have like any other question, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. As I said earlier, it will be a way for you to save some money. And thank you for watching.